guys, and today I'll be doing if squishies were slime, and this is inspired by iColor 500. This is obviously meant to be just a joke, but I already know there's gonna be people hating, so yeah, let's just get started. For the materials, you'll be needing some squishies and also some borax solution. And now I'm just gonna pour this on the table because it's gonna all come together and it won't make a mess. So first pour the squishies. And now all you need to do is add your activator and mix. And voila, you have your slime. Now this slime isn't very stretchy, so I'm going to teach you how to make a stretchy one. So you need your squishy, and then you want to drop some lotion in there, a lot of it. Add your activator and just mix. And now you have your squishy slime. This is very stretchy, as you can clearly see compared to the first slime. So yeah, that was basically it for the squishy slime tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!